Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here, and today we are going to write something from Brussels. Okay, what are we going to do? Today I try to search online and searching about SHA256, and you see there is a bunch of websites. If I click there, I can easily give an input and it calculate SHA256 hash for me. You see, this is really simple page, uh, functional page. If you inspect the code, just it seems really normal web page. I'm going to another one, SHA256 online. Boom, this is right hash. Okay, another website, online hash generator, generate R for me. You see, okay, but how it's work, these things, uh, and how we can implement something like this, a website to calculate SHA256 hash for users. And I believe that there are too many viewers and too many visitors for these websites, and if you make a website like this and if you follow me to the end, I believe, promise you at the end of this video you can make something like this by self. Okay, how it's work? Before beginning, I have to say, guys, I am not front-end coder, and I don't like also to learn. That's mean, you see these beautiful things, maybe simple text, HTML. This is I am not going to make. If you make, I'm going to share my code after this video, and you can make it complete with a beautiful view, and we make it. I'm going to put it online on my server. Okay, let's see. As you know, I am Java programmer, not Python, not nothing. Just Java, Spring Boot. As you see, I have an empty Spring Boot application. There is nothing here, and we want to make some codes. Okay, for these things I like to make a message class. Private integer ID. It's Brussels. That's normal, guys. Okay, I need also a getter and setter for this, and because I like to see all things, I need also add to a string. Simple Java class. Good. I'm going to make a class. What's that? That's I'm really bad in naming. How about that? Don't fuck with me. Yeah? system controller. Sorry guys, I'm going to give index slash index for mapping. A Java method, public string show me the name of. I'm going to take model, import that one. Okay, I need request parameter. It's a type of a string and name is text. Okay, I'm going here just do like this, model dot add attribute. I'm going to use this variable save, and then our message, our text you see here, and return for me at the end my HTML page. You see here an empty time leaf page. There is nothing inside, test offline, and that's this one. I have a variable here in time leaf and I want to fill it up with this text. As you see, I refer the save to text. At the end, just return for me index page. Okay, let me just test it. To see our application works well, because a big application, it was really a simple application that it works some days. Okay, let me open my localhost. Let me see what I've got here. This one I don't need. Okay, you see here it's work, but it's empty. Okay, and why it's empty? Because I told them a request parameter of type string. Oh, you okay? What should I do? I'm going to do like this. What's the name of slash index? Index, after that text, after that text equal to for example, or let me, I don't know, it can be everything. Index what happened? Let me see. Text is not present. Why? Oh yeah, text. Oh yeah, look, see what I'm going to type here, I get it there. Oops. Ooh. Hey guys, I'm really You see that? You get it back. This is just back end, nothing in front end, huh? Okay, it's JSON format. Let me do some coding. What I need a function to convert a text to a SHA256 hash output or string. For that thing, I need to write a method. Okay. Let's make some method. I'm going to make a public or private static a string. I'm gonna name it as SHA256 a string input. I'm going to use message digest class to get an instance of SHA256 get instance of SHA256. I have there an exception. I'm going to catch it. You can also try catch block, but that's too much work for me. I'm going to click just there. Goeie programmeur wel lui programmeur, dat weet je al. Okay, I'm going to convert to take. I'm going to make another variable or an array of md.digest. I'm going to put their input get byte. This method going to convert to the byte code to byte. After that, it should convert to hex. This method should do two things. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to type here input dot get bytes of a standard character UTF. You can change it, but it's a standard input. Okay, and after that, here we have to return this hash to hex. We have to make another method for it. But what I'm going to do, convert byte array to hex. To hex a string, or simply I'm going to do convert, and you know that convert my hash. Okay, oops, hash, not that hash, this hash. Yes, okay, another it's private or public, doesn't matter for me at this position. Public is static, string for sure, convert like this. It accept, here you see that it accept array of something, array of hashes. Okay, good. I'm going to make here array bytes. It's gonna accept this line byte array of bytes code. Okay, and now we need a for loop for, but before that I have to make some string buffer or string builder. I'm going to make string buffer, new string. I'm going to instantiate that. New string, come up, IntelliJ. I expect more for you. Let me see, equal to yes, string buffer, never used. Okay, no problem. With a simple for loop, it's gonna be used. Okay, int I equal to 0, I smaller than array of bytes, mean 1 for sure, and after that do this one. Oh yeah, length, yes, like this. I need now to append this for loop to that string buffer that append integer to string, integer to string. I'm gonna write it. After that I'm going to explain you what it does. Okay, I want you to add some array bytes because I use for loop. I need 1 by 1. And 0 is format. F guys, let me do something, because I'm coming to my web page. I write this one time. What I'm doing, I'm going to just copy this and I refer you to my website. Okay, as simple, you can find it everywhere. You can also copy and paste it from. Okay, this is our first method and this is second one. And now if we take a close look, it seems okay, but now I have here two method that gonna calculate a hash of an input or a text. What I'm going to do here, if you remember here, if I'm going to text here something as input, I get them here, okay, but we can do here something more, and that's this one, model add attribute. Okay, just save it there, that variable. And what you are going to do here, use SHA256 and then put there a text. That's the text of our input. I'm going to take exception. Okay, just let me rerun my program and see if it's work. Okay, really simple, huh? With 20 line of codes or something like that, with 3 classes, with a Spring Boot application, just we've done. Okay, I'm going to clear it. Now I like to use again. You see, let me do let me type here in the original website SHA of that's this one, CA, and let us to test our program also. As you see, our method is okay, and it's gonna calculate our input to the SHA256 hash output. And guys, for me this is complete, mission complete, but because I'm not a front-end coder, I'm not going to continue it. But if you like, I'm going to share this. Go complete it, share with me, and I'm going to put it online, and let's see what can happen, because you see that, and I can also add more methods, more hashes. Okay guys, I see you in the next video, and in the next video we are going to search, to dive on internet, to find a template, to find a website, and take a close look what's going inside, or what's going back end, what happened on back end of a website like this. Okay guys, have a nice day, and I'm going to share this video very soon.